Welcome back everyone. Today let's continue design our digital agency website. We have completed the home page. Now let's design the about us page. Okay. First, okay, this hero section, and we do not this breadcrumb. So we will combine this about us section with this hero section. Okay. And yeah, copy this section here. Copy this section and paste it here. Okay, that's it. And okay, then the about us, this one. No. Okay, this one. Copy this, come back here and paste it here. Okay, delete this. Okay. Change the image. Okay, and go to this column here. Remove the padding from the right and add on the left. Okay. Resources, and we can remove this button. Okay, the next section is okay, who we are. For this we can copy this section once again. Go to this column, remove the padding from the left and or add on the right, and here who we are, a place where ideas can grow. Our vision, our mission, vision, I, our vision, our mission, our mission, our vision. Okay, let's insert a text here and this description, make it justified. Okay, we need a button here for this. Okay, copy this, come back here, paste it here, link to this our services, link to services page. Okay, and change the image. Okay, and if you want, you can also look for other images, not to repeat the images from the home page. Yeah, from the android.co. And the next section is this one, why sources. Okay, for this we can copy this. Okay, paste it here. Maybe yeah, we can duplicate this section anywhere. Why source us blah blah blah. Go to section setting, background gradient. Here, white. Okay, and in the shape divider, the top mountain, white. Height. Okay, go to advanced, add more padding about 200. Okay, then next section is statistics. Okay, for this copy this section. Okay, copy this, come back here about us, paste it here, and edit this section here, remove this padding, about 50 at the top, 50 at the bottom, then style, remove the background overlay, remove it. Okay, now that's it, and you can also delete this. Okay, now you have it. Then our theme. Okay, this one is new. Okay, for this come back here. Okay, let's copy this section here, come back here, paste it here, and delete this widget. Okay, call it our theme, our what's it called, mid autumn. Okay, something like this. Then theme. Okay, we have two widgets for theme, China theme and jacket theme. Okay, what is jacket theme? Overlay. Okay, like this. Over on social. Social horizontal. Anyway, you choose any of these options. Easiest and fastest is this China theme. Okay, for the layout design it is much faster because they have all the default sample contents ready for us, so it is much faster. and here style, overlay. Let's change the color to like this, make it a little transparent. Okay, and other, change color to white, position white, like this, description white. Okay, social icon black, that's fine. And for the hover icon color, we need to change it. Hover icon color, we need to change to something like this. Okay, yeah, that's it. And go to advanced, add margin about 10. Okay, here, and come back here is the border radius about 10, little margin over there. Okay, at the border corner, then advanced again, positioning, custom white, percentage. Okay, how much the members here? Okay, 3, then make it 33, duplicate it, duplicate it. Okay, style, then here among these okay, links, you if you want, you can add also WhatsApp. Okay, and let me show you how to add WhatsApp link. Okay, here let's choose WhatsApp. Okay, and this one here. Okay, WhatsApp. Okay, and for the link, https do wa.me slash, then the phone number. First, before you enter your 10-digit mobile number, first you have to enter the country code. For example, for India it is 91, then the phone number. Okay, for example, uh, 9856459191. Okay, so here someone click on this, you will prompt the WhatsApp, open WhatsApp from. Okay, now, okay, this is the image is little square, and here overlay box. Okay, border tab, none, box shadow, none, position, description. Okay, there is no option for editing the thumb image. If there is, we can adjust the size, but now there's no option. Okay, that's regrettable. Okay, to make it little unique, okay, here. Okay, for the section setting, go to section setting. This is the last section, so we have to change this bottom shape divider. Okay, for example, this change the color to match the background color. Okay, like this. Now it is seamlessly connected to the footer. Okay. And background, increase the background padding a little. What about 200? Okay, to increase the space here. Here, this maybe a little different. Okay, that's it. That's it for the about us page. Okay, this should be in. It should say about us, who we are, white sources, then blah blah blah, our team. Okay, did it. That's it for this video, and let's continue design in the upcoming next video. Okay, and we will do services, portfolio, blog, and contact us. It will not take much time. Most of these sections are replications from the home page. So yeah, see you in the next video.